స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈరోజు డిటర్మినెంట్స్లో కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ సమ్స్ చూద్దాం. మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, జాగ్రత్త ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. ఇఫ్ ఏ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి, పి బి నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు క్యూ, సి నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు క్యూ అండ్ ఆర్ determinant of 3/3 matrix PBC like this he given equal to 0, then he want P by P minus A plus Q by Q minus B plus R by R minus C. See here denominators P minus A, Q minus B like that. So apply like this. A, P plus A, Q plus B, 2C is there. So first use R2 changes to R2 minus R1, again R3 changes to R3 minus R1. If we use those two, we get P, B, C, A, Q, C, A minus P, next 0, R minus C equal to 0. Again we have here A, Q, C, R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Now P, B, C, A minus P, Q minus B, 0, A minus B, 0, R minus C. Now students, expand this P into Q minus B, R minus C, minus 0, don't need to write it, minus B into A minus B, R minus C, minus B into, plus C into, this is 0, when you multiply in this direction we get minus, minus of A minus B, Q minus B equal to 0. Now here what is P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C? Take minus common here, minus common here, becomes plus. No need to take common here because here Q minus B, R minus C, same terms are here. P into Q minus B, R minus C. Take here minus common because A minus P is there, but here P minus A. Minus here minus becomes plus, P into P minus A, R minus C. Now students, take here minus common, here minus plus, C into P minus A, Q minus B equal to 0. So this is the equation. Here P minus A is in denominators. Divide with P minus A into Q minus B into R minus C on both sides. We get, students, divide చేయటం అంటే అర్థం మనకి ఈచ్ టర్మ్ని డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ఈ వాల్యూ బై దిస్ వాల్యూ రాస్తే Q minus B getting cancelled, R minus C getting cancelled. It is P by P minus A plus, now this value by this value, P minus A getting cancelled, R minus C getting cancelled, B by Q minus B plus, P minus A, Q minus B getting cancelled, here C by R minus C equal to 0. So this is the equation we got. But here there he want P by P minus A plus Q by like that. Dear students, from this P by P minus A is how much? P by P minus A, P by P minus A, bring this term to that side, this to that side, it becomes minus P by Q minus B minus C by R minus C plus Q by Q minus B plus R by R minus C. Now in these two terms denominator is same, Q minus B, so Q minus B plus, in these two terms r minus c is the denominator, r minus c, this getting cancelled, 1 plus 1 that equal to 2. This is very very important. It may ask in integer type questions. Okay now. Next question. If a square plus b square plus c square equal to minus 2, condition is there. F of x equal to determinant is given. Then f of x is a polynomial of degree. How much ani? Polynomial degree, question mark. Degree 3 not, 2 not, 4 or 5 అనేది. Dear students, whenever the condition is given, that is a square plus b square plus c square equal to minus 2 here, take a square value, b square value, c square value such that their sum is minus 2. Dear students, generally number whole square never be negative, but in complex system I square is minus 1 is there. So take a square value minus 1, b square value minus 1, c square value is 0. No need to take like this. You may take a square is 0, b square minus 1, c square minus 1, like that. You take any one is 0, remaining 2 are minus 1 minus 1. Sir, I consider a square as minus 3, b square plus 1, c square 0. Yes, you may take, no doubt at all. You may take it like that also. Sir, నేను b square minus 3, a square 1 తీసుకుంటా అంటే yes, as you wish you take, but sum of these three terms must be minus 2. That is important. For these three values, what is f of x? Substitute these three values here. A square minus 1, it becomes 1 minus x. B square minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. C square is 0, 1 plus 0, 1 into x, x. It is 0. B square is minus 1, becomes 1 minus x. C square is 0, it becomes x. This is 0. B square is minus 1, students, it becomes 0. C square is 0, it becomes 1. See, a square minus 1 it is 0, a square minus 1 it is 0, 1 plus b square minus 1 it is 0, b square minus 1, 1 minus x. See, when you expand it, it becomes 1 minus x whole square, or we may take it as it is a triangular matrix, its determinant is product of principal diagonal elements. In triangular matrix, determinant is product of principal diagonal elements. So triangular matrix lo determinant maniki product of principal diagonal elements avutundi. See, it is a minus b whole square, that is x square minus 2x plus 1, x square. So degree of f of x is 2 students. సో ఈ విధంగా జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని నీట్గా ఇక్కడ కండిషన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వాల్యూస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకొని సింప్లిఫై చేసుకుంటే చాలా ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus px plus q equal to 0, then this det value. Students, in second year theory of equations, alpha, beta, gamma are roots of ax square, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Then sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. It is called S1. S2, sum of the products of the two roots taken two roots at a time. Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha. Sum of product of roots taken two at a time. C by A. S3 is Product of the three roots alpha, beta, gamma minus d by a. Here alpha, beta, gamma are roots of x cube plus 0 into x square. No x square term here. Write down that as 0 into x square plus px plus q equal to 0. Okay. Now tell me sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma. Second minus second term by first coefficient 0. It's enough. No need to other. What he want? Determinant of alpha, beta, gamma delta, gamma delta alpha. Applying C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3 students. Applying this formula. Add these columns and write down in place of C1. It becomes alpha plus beta plus gamma. Again alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Beta gamma. Gamma delta. Delta alpha. Students, alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0. 0, 0, 0. Beta gamma, gamma delta, delta alpha. Here every term is 0. If any row or column every term is 0, then its det is 0. So determinant of that matrix is 0. Okay na students, a very important. Next problem. If AR equal to 2 by 2 matrix R minus 1 R, where R is a natural number, then square root of det A1 plus det A2 plus det A3 plus and so on det A 2028 he asked. Students, AR is given as R minus 1 R. Find out that AR. That means multiply these two R square, that is AD, minus BC means minus of R minus 1 whole square. Now this value becomes R square minus of A minus B whole square, R square minus 2R plus 1. When you multiply with R square getting cancelled, 2R minus 1. This is determinant of AR. Here inside value is det A1 plus det A2 plus and so on det A 2008. We may write it as sigma R equal to 1 to 2008 because last term is 2008 det of AR. Sigma means add by giving values for R equal to 1. Det AR is how much? Sigma R equal to 1 to 2008, 2R minus 1. Now students, separate sigma 2R minus sigma 1. R value takes 1 to 2008, R value 1 to 2008. So 2 is, we know sigma R is n into n plus 1 by 2 when your R runs from 1 to n. Sigma 1 is n. Here R takes the values from 1 to 2008. So 2008 plus into 2008 plus 1 by 2 minus 2008 students. Here formula n into n plus 1 by 2 according to that. 2 to getting cancelled. Now see this here. 2008 into 2009, take 2008 common, 2008, if you take 2008 common, 2009 minus 1, it becomes 2008 whole square. He asked square root of this value. Therefore, square root of mod A1, det A1 plus det A2 plus and so on det A 2008, which is equal to square root of 2008 whole square. This is 2008. So like this, students, we can find this value. So my dear students, నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బాయ్.